Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Use 1 cup dried sea moss and 4 cups filtered water for soaking for 12-24 hours. Start by spreading the sea moss and inspecting for bits of sand or shells, then give it a quick cold rinse until the rinse water is clear. Place the clean sea moss in a clean glass bowl and cover with filtered water, weighing it down if needed to keep it submerged. Change the water once if an off odor develops, which means swap and rinse again. Blend soaked sea moss with 1/2 cup coconut water and 1 cup fresh water until smooth, 45-60 seconds. Spoon the hydrated sea moss into a high-speed blender, add coconut water for minerals and body, then a cup of fresh water to reach a soft gel texture. Pulse until there are no strands left. Add 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, and 1 teaspoon vanilla if desired. Then sweeten to taste with 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, blending briefly to combine. Store gel in glass jars, fill to the top, refrigerate up to 2 weeks or freeze up to 3 months. Pour the freshly blended gel into sterilized glass jars, smoothing the surface and sealing tightly to limit air exposure. Label with the date. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons daily in smoothies, herbal teas, soups, or apply as a topical hair or skin mask. Thaw frozen gel in the refrigerator and stir before use. And avoid microwaving sea moss to preserve enzyme and nutrient integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.